mà là cái chẳng đỡ chạy nhor cái đúng dit media chẳng có wall bang wan cái pai wall kel karon kin dang rau de jandang rau de diech an mak bangut gok bay nong la ra ting kon de la nong ye ni chiang cái đúng dit media cái tin tua cái junub Sudan cái này win mo na do dien đúng dit media mà wan leng mu ga cái tung nuar mình này ala ra chiang ko ye liang ko tung go tu liang này mi chi ran jo ma la ja online liang e ya like cái bia share we are like cái share ba ko dong wan ba ko shuk ne kon de liang tung nuar na me ba ka ja je ga bar kon de nong ne ko dung dit media an wala ka chang wal bang wan ka pai wal kel dung dit media be nong lar ma lar ma exclusive man ba la da wal ba la issue mu ka nuar politician siasi nuar de kon la ru ku me junu ba Sudan kan ne din kon tin gor ko bo la ko ku me junu ba Sudan kan ne din kon do kwa siasa ana politic kwa practice ko dub to gul ko social media ni kana public forum so lar ba lar ba rajo da kon dial ngoda kane lar ye la ne ko lar mu controversial a topic mo rajo de te ko ne ba lok ko ne ba no and we recommend ne dia lo kon ba rajo mo go rajo mo gwa ko bi a charun bi matin ko problem is je na mo then stop it then kap chongode ala Nuer community min ba rajo de wala men wo Nuer politician edung doctorok issues of language whether ngai kone ke lo kone Nuer ta ga issue of doctorok ga me kala medit mila konti dia la lat ka siyasa dan mana mashakal lo kon mana ga kwen lack of unity ta ko yi kon participate ka siyasa mana ga lat lakini ni wodo kon ga problem mo dung doctorok to ling lini kana to ga lamni we don't talk about it ci ko right creed and this is center of all the problem we pen kono bana participate katin di aran tuook ka country so ko wona bana rajo dem kune laro controversial topic that ramu go je share kai be we go we je ramu go je ko talk be we go we je and the only interest that we want o mission keno then is stopped the level of our community then la jode as a community then it is encouraged ko bo kono ne professional ti bara right ko doctor ke generation ni konta webente well issue of language kira ta ndala ne ya ko problem kanware take an example la kona political rajore ta ndala ne lakin is the main problem pen kono bana participate ka national arena pen kono bana George the pace of the public la ganyin University of Sudan tin telecon political analyst telecon economic analyst telecon international figure to participate key issues to content chima mukta lot kan no other issues other activities sexual activities ka country men pen economic joy tin edung tok so the question ko the reason why ang ku Nuer to ka jam tan chang ka jalab na kel ka Sudan tan chang ka wai na kel wan den yin wan tan chang ka other tribe within South Sudan tan chang ka buin role buin tan chang ka other communities ke is Africa and still the problem of language if we compare ourselves to try to cocaine get University of Sudan. So question mo charabula na la ball kon bar rajo da ko the reason ngui kon men den Nuer pe do ne ko ta ban charabula no ne e kai is true a talk lakin the reason why ko no ko adu bro do jak with example of ne ngaji around you tijiran wod wel gor chom na ka higher education je tok no ga bachelor degree te ga several masters. And when you see them, you are not able to talk. And I just call a gorge. Me a totally in the bala totally in the maton. Wrong. You joy. Me can aid one jagger convince. Chamala the same like lady got took the den. ta ga tong matot mi ne de kon de to dien gor ki le to mo ma gor cha ga lo ma ko convince. So this is a problem. Nobody can deny. Lakin the problem, what is the problem? Is it a quality education? Because we talk of quantity. Nuer these days. The con go to telecommuting paracon. Got the con opportunities. China Guarco Ethiopia, China Guarco America, China Guarco is Africa with support from our people abroad. Chibonja call live do up. To Gorgat continue countries still problem of education now to continue Nuer Ethiopia because to Gar. In no cause Sudan. So there is a problem of quantity education. There are a number of graduates with several certificates. Like in quality, as we say, women pen konobana participate in national arena. These are the issue of language. Well, problem. What is the problem? And I will tell you what is the problem. So if you take it to our sexual contact, taban kon behavior it kon tell kana okay. So the kon behavior of self-actualizations, we can say it. The jagraro da go ne negan ara mi mga jangwa manu kuji yara ngai hijen ro la de kuji ngai be pe ro yella na kuji ori ngai be perben so na me kuji je kunyu je nyu kuji ngam nyu ro kari ni ge kuji gore ko be ngai so ko kon when you are still young would call it will go gata and gor ganat. So Ramadan and try to communicate. To go down gore on a generator tool. That I learn. Kotaban will learn is when you try. The queen, the right, the liang. So guada raji, we took a shable like a guad. Go to me. They don't want to talk around or commit order and practice, a young age. Our sexual contact, like a problem, it is going to one kaya. So no, but it is encouraged in different ways until me give up. Now we go live in a to Ben Kel. Money you do go lay, money I chum logo guame millen. And we go to practice a deal at Medan will be a problem. Share a median, what will I do no? Sukuban. So being a kin to night. So better mean go practice, share a medit, Chidamanjawa. So which is a problem for our society? Mila is encouraged. Young age, we don't practice. Mukuji will be a practice, so that is the problem. No can. Pen conto. When a con took the corner there corner. Mera a issue of family. We can say it. She will go on. Go exposing. Chaban group cocaine medan. Go be exposing community no more. To civilization, laba access, meaning accessibility to rack. Karak go by ya tiny accessibility to year. Bago the Jolga year can go wild a con the gentleman may have a war jalap. So con war you don't take 1 to year. So the can con civilization can con a man catch up. So can con a man jamulu and a families con the ratio down a sugar, tinchagar colorum, naka manakin. One and 80 corner can will go to quick a totoro. Therefore, is a contributing factor. Mijagan or go and navigate a problem of languages, Nikata Nan, and to garden you will be paid. So now we will go point go years. Shall go accept on the road they are there. And we accept it individually, which there is a language problem. Go as Ramiju will go, Niju and then the Mekaranai, the machine along. She will pretend. So we young there is a problem of language. How can we encourage our younger guarantee who will be Benial with efficiencies? Big Benial with efficiencies go brand but took bangach. Brand pit. Knowing that it will take a problem to Jagannath in the future, McKinnon to Rock McKinnon and Ip. Banagard con Banaka encourage it to go about to Rock Bangach. So when we say to Rock, took the arana to Mogorke, Quato Linglin, Quato Galam, using like a standard of Gorandana Chagorage, Mongorge. So the question of Banagard Conbanac encouraged is one of the topic Mebana discussed ko ga Nuer de to porok de ngai di ken unlike their fathers chi bi she kwan na kien kana man na kien ba to ling lin kan to ge la na ba ngai di alan mu gur ko na conference we will do it for our children nay the koni chop kai stage of all years ran go ran chop na go che ta master che ta bachelor degree and yet ku to porok so what do you need to do taban go ro bi ge certificate is one and what knowledge is another and today thing charo reversed ga tala lat ge Nuer mina lawan ne guri shigile nyo kalmot now guru gudo la guru chwa je len kalmot chala guru shik the same like today certificate of master degree will be just medan len kalmot but today the knowledge of that certificate je len kalmot mai kono gore wal we can go back Gormi class 1 take knowledge class 1 class 2 no lying audience so the more chichubu class the one yam biramata job to be a lay lakin today gor chala mix that go to go as individuals your potentiality be exploit grow train the certificate to ke ga knowledge do bi jal ke knowledge mo gurge atok to gandan ni chigor bala to mu clear bala nap katana rai gaji so no is a commitment is a determination me gor ni ji saban we know the difference quantity kana quality wana quality ka quantity long in term of wo mu ku go wait ka bali so janta na ndo ko ra jode no and in summary a message wo ka politician ala siasi Nuer tin kono te lat ko kume kana tin ban yal tin go lat ko kume kana tin kwa politics kwa practice kia the way to go ran over ana siasa ko wojin ci biya siasa mitel tok siasa mu kuito ling lini mu kuito jalabni ko yu lab no audience ci de ne bailing ko ne bailing ci bi wan wora ko audience you need a diverse audience to the jang tin tangana tin bin kan ne oken so ko no akel mu wako kon Nuer ko as work very hard ko and syndrome mo bane break di ka our society so jen ko ne la ro ne ra ni je no mo a controversial berameling ye galenga lenga mo belinga je but the center of this we must accept that there is a language problem kon Nuer and how can we break that barrier bane break di وشكرا